Hurricane Sally, as it's really slowed down to a crawl right now, moving towards the northwest at 2 miles an hour, winds at 85, making it a Category 1 hurricane. It was a Category 2 earlier, but now it's weakened down to a Category 1 hurricane. But the problem with it moving so slow is that we're going to see rain on top of rain on top of rain, and that's going to lead to some flooding, plus a lot of wave action along the coast, which will also lead to flooding as well. This general region could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall before the storm system finally starts to pull on out of here. Now, because it slowed so much, it looks like it will make landfall as we head into tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. with winds of about 80 miles an hour. And then after that, it will continue to move inland and it will dissipate fairly quickly. By the time we get to Friday, you can see it's just a remnant low on top of Atlanta. Now, in addition to Hurricane Sally, we also have Hurricane Paulette. We have Tropical Storm Teddy, and we have Tropical Storm Vicky. We'll start off with Paulette. Paulette, a Category 2 hurricane, winds of 105 miles an hour. This one will race into the North Atlantic, go over the cooler ocean waters in the North Atlantic, and then eventually start to fizzle on out as we head into the next several days. Tropical Storm Teddy, in the meantime, yes, it's expected to stay out in the Atlantic, but this one is expected to intensify up to a major hurricane, Category 3 by Sunday, winds of 115 miles an hour. Most of the models keep it just east of Bermuda and then eventually curve it back out into the North Atlantic too. Tropical Storm Vicky, this is a very short-lived system. By the time we get to tomorrow, it's already starting to dissipate. But in addition to those, we're also watching a couple of tropical waves, one in the Gulf of Mexico, very low chance of development, won't affect us here in South Florida. Another one coming off of Africa right there, very high chance of development. If this one develops, this one will be Wilfred, and that's the last name of the 2020 season. Then after that, we start using the Greek alphabet, and that's what we did back in '05. And then this is so 2020. We have another wave that we're watching off the coast of Spain that has a 20% chance of development. So closer to home, what's the deal? For today, we have a lot of dry air in place, and we could see a pop-up shower or storm, about a 30% chance, and it should happen well inland. And then during the evening hours, you can see everything on the western side of the lake. And then tomorrow, drier air continues to feed on in. So little rainfall is in the forecast for us, lots of sunshine. And by the time we get to the weekend, that's when rain chances start to increase a little bit. Today, 90 degrees, a couple of scattered storms, about a 30% chance well inland. Then overnight tonight, maybe an isolated rain shower. Otherwise, we're partly to mostly cloudy with temperatures in the 70s. And notice through Friday, not much rain in the forecast, but as we head into the weekend, rain chances do tick on up a little bit.